Mia is a passionate researcher. Her specialty field is regenerative dentistry. To finance her research, she applies for a research grant from the Osteology Foundation. But just how are the decisions made about who receives funding? Twice per year, the Osteology Foundation offers 2 research grant programs: the Young Researcher Grant Program and the Advanced Researcher Grant Program. They differ in terms of allowed project length and the amount of funding allocated. Both programs are funded from the Osteology Foundation research budget, and the same process is used to review all grant applications. Decision-makers ensure that grants are fairly distributed between young researchers and advanced researchers. Mia is applying for a Young Researcher grant, and her first step is to submit an abstract describing the key features of the research project. All abstracts are carefully and independently evaluated by members of the Osteology Scientific Review Board. This board consists of members of the Osteology Foundation's Science Committee and members of the Osteology Expert Council. Each reviewer is assigned to 10 to 12 abstracts, and each abstract is evaluated by 5 individuals. Steps are taken to ensure that no conflict of interest exists between the applicant and the reviewer. Conflict of interest could be, for example, the same affiliation or co-applicants. The reviewers assess each submission using well-defined criteria: the clinical relevance of the proposal, the originality of the research question and related hypothesis, the methodology, and the qualifications of the applicant, together with the facilities available to them. Each category is assigned a weighted score. An average score is calculated based on each reviewer's evaluation, resulting in a ranking. The highest ranked abstracts then proceed to the next stage. Mia makes the cut and progresses to the main application round. She then submits a detailed proposal, which is newly assigned for evaluation. The budget is added as an additional criterion for assessment. Based on the detailed reviews and new ranking, decisions are made by the Science Committee regarding the successful grant applicants and the amount of funding to be awarded. Research grants are allocated twice yearly during the Osteology Foundation board meetings, where all members of the Science Committee are present. Mia gets a grant. However, her colleague Max does not fare so well. But he does receive some valuable feedback that he can use for his next submission. In a nutshell, the Osteology Foundation uses a standardized evaluation and fair decision-making process for all applicants.